Hello friends, Namaste, and today we're going to talk about the Hindi verb giraftar karna, right? Giraftar karna, it means to arrest. When the police arrest someone, we say giraftar karna, right? Giraftar karna. Alright, so let's learn. Giraftar karna, alright? Arrest, we say giraftar karna. Giraftar karna, right? Giraftar karna together gives a meaning to arrest, okay? Here karna means to do also, and raftar means how fast, tez also we say in Hindi. Raftar means like fast, how fast it is. That's also called raftar. The movement, the faster movement, that's we say raftar, right? Anyways, the word is here giraftar. Giraftar means to arrest, right? Giraftar karna. Police arrest the thief. So one police is arresting a thief, alright? So police arrest thief. In Hindi we will say पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार करती है. Police चोर को, चोर means thief, alright? Thief, how you pronounce thief, or anyways, police चोर को गिरफ्तार, right? It's not tar, it's not giraftar. Don't pronounce like this, giraftar, alright? You need to pronounce like giraftar. गिरफ्तार, ta, alright? So गिरफ्तार करती है. And this sentence is in present indefinite, where you say simple present tense. So simple present tense, you need to get focus. करती है, right? करती है. Sometime it may come करते हैं, right? Sometime it may be like करता है. So ti, ta, te, and then है. This represents simple present. Always keep in mind. And here है represent present time. All right, keep in mind that. And this ti, ta, te, this represents that it's simple present. It's present indefinite. Let's go to the another one. Police arrested the thief. Now this is past indefinite, simple past. All right. So this becomes now किया. पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार किया. या. This always comes in simple present tense. Maximum time, the word endings will be like किया, खाया, गया, घूमा, like that, Police will arrest the thief. Now in future, simple future or future indefinite. Now in future, every time it will be gi, करेगी, करेगा, करेंगे, so गे, गी, गे, like these things comes in future. So police चोर को गिरफ्तार करेगी. Police will arrest the thief. So far he has not been caught. All right, so police चोर को गिरफ्तार करेगी. Okay, in the same time, actually I'm trying to teach you the tense also in Hindi, how it is. So I have categorized them, that's why. Police is arresting the thief. Now let's go to the present continuous. They are arresting now. They have not so far caught it exactly. All right, so they are in the process. All right, so police चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही है. And every time, see here, as I told you, है represents the present form. So है is present form, and रही, रहा, रहे, this represents continuous form. Always keep in mind. And initially you will feel difficult, but later after watching few videos you will be comfortable with this. All right, so raha, rahe, rahi, this represents continuous form. So this will be again same. Raha, rahe, rahi will continue whether we are going in past or in future. Let me show you. See here, police चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही, and now है turns to थी. थी represents past again. So police चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही थी. Okay, rahi will again sustain, but thi will change into something else. कर रही होगी. Alright, पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही होगी. Alright, गी, as I told you, गे, गी, these things come. So पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही होगी. पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार कर रही होगी. Next one, police has arrested the thief. Now present perfect form. Right, now the work is done. Right, just done. It's in the present perfect form. Presently, just it is done. So पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है, and this is also said like this. पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुके हैं, और पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुके हैं. Right? In generally in perfect form, चुके, चुका, चुकी, it comes. Alright, so you can say पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुकी है, or you can say पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया है. Alright, and if you remove this, just this है, पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, then it becomes simple past, right? Present indefinite, कर लिया. Okay. Next one, police had arrested the thief. Now पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया था. कर लिया था. Till that time they had already caught that, arrested that thief. When I reached to the point, the police had already arrested the thief, right? So पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया था. कर लिया था. Or you can say कर चुके थे. पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुके थे. If I'm कर चुके थे, if I'm using it means so many people, so many police. But if there is only one police, then पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुका था, right? था, कर चुका, चुका. Chuka always comes in perfect form, right? Again, same pattern will be same, but now the last form will get changed to the future, right? So होगा, था gets changed into होगा, right? पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया होगा. So far till this time, I think probably tomorrow police will have arrested the thief, right? Like that. So पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार कर लिया होगा. Or same thing you can say, पुलिस चोर को गिरफ्तार कर चुके होंगे. कर चुके होंगे, right? You're predicting it, right? कर चुके होंगे. And my dear friend, let me tell you one thing. This is the first slide in which I had categorized the sentences into the different tense. So you might feel a little difficult in this slide, but after next slide onward, it will be very comfortable because the pattern will be same. Every time the pattern will be same. So once you watch like our 10 to 12 videos, then it's going to be like no doubt at all. And my dear friend, tell me something about the new pattern that I used here, whether it is working well or not. How is the feedback? I just want to hear, whether it is going to work or not. So if it's working well, then I'm going to continue it. Otherwise, I will discontinue it and I will try to use another method, right? So I want to hear something from your side. It really means a lot to me, all right? So you're going to comment and you're going to like the video and you're going to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.